And Jesus also in this first our gospel reading says, if you love me, keep my commandments. So what's he saying? He's saying it isn't just about saying I love you. It isn't just about saying, Mom, on Mother's Day I love you, and then act like a jerk the rest of the time. It's about doing something. If you love somebody, you show it with your actions, right? It isn't just the words. It isn't just the flower. It isn't just the piece of candy. It's Mom, I love you, and I'm going to do this because of how I love you. When I come up and do these on Sundays, I live in Mexico, as I've told you before. I get up at 3 in the morning to come across, not necessarily because it takes that long, but I never know what to expect at the border. I don't know if the border is going to be backed up. I have no earthly idea. I don't know if the cartel is going to light another bus on fire. I have no idea what I'm going to run into when I drive up here. So I don't want to be late. So I get up at 3 in the morning just to come up. And I do that. My daughter used to ask me when she was small, said, Daddy, are you going to go tell those people you love them? Because she knows that the only reason I do what I do now for 52 years is because I love you. I love you with all my heart. That is the truth. I do this because there's nothing I would rather do than serve my Lord and love the people that he puts in my life. We have to be people who show that we love. Not just say that we love, but show that we love.